So many students talk about their whole body donor being their first patient. What do you think the impact of that has on a medical student?
So I think it has a huge impact, and we can kind of see that from like when the medical students first walk into the lab at the beginning of the year versus how they're feeling at the end of the year. And at the end of every year in June, we host a memorial service where the medical students in that class um, basically become funeral directors and have to honor the donors that were used or the donors that passed in the previous year. And that's the point when I can tell that the medical students were very much impacted. They write poems, they perform musical performances, and get to interact with the families and friends of the donors that died in that last year. And that is when you can profoundly tell. We've also started doing where I put out a cotton shroud over the donors once the students are done, and they're allowed to write messages, and that shroud will go with them to cremation. And those messages, you can definitely tell that there was a profound effect for this being my first patient, being so thankful. Yeah, lots of gratitude for sure.